Hi, welcome to valuationpodcast.com, a podcast and video series about all things related to business and valuation. My name is Melissa Gragg, and I'm a valuation expert and divorce mediator in St. Louis, Missouri. Today, we will discuss how to find hidden assets and or understated income in divorce cases with Leah Weitholter, a forensic accountant, certified fraud examiner, and private investigator in Tulsa, Oklahoma. You are working with the actual people, right? Which I think that this is a little different. How do you help a couple, and it's usually just one party, but how do you help people get prepared to get divorced through, you have a course and a notebook, find money and divorce? Because I think this is a really important piece of it. So can you walk us through? It's not just you, it's you're educating the person getting divorced, right?
Yeah. So several of our older YouTube videos kind of on our YouTube channel talk more about this course in general and all the different modules. And we've kind of scaled that back recently because I think it's a little overwhelming when you've been the out spouse and you don't really know where to start. So what we did was we scaled that back. And so now what we offer is a course and a workbook that's just called Get Organized in Your Divorce. And we have a checklist and all this stuff. Like if you can just walk through the course that the online course that we have, and you can do it at your own pace at any time, it doesn't have to be live or anything, and this workbook, then the things you need to look at, you can get started. And then you have some information to then, and we even have like spreadsheets and ways to organize the information so that you can then go talk to your attorney and say, hey, I'm organizing this information and I see that I'm missing this chunk of documents. Or, hey, like I know we had this bank account for these years and we have this bank account for these years, but I've got a gap. So just by organizing it in this way that we have found helpful, we're sharing our tools with our clients or potential clients to say, just start here, just get organized. So we have created other modules to kind of help them walk through and review their own bank statements and stuff. But like I said, it was a little overwhelming. So we've scaled that back. But what's nice about creating that process is we can empower our potential clients or anyone who just wants to get organized. Do this first, work with your attorney, and then it makes working with us much more efficient because we do have this really nice process where the majority of this is automated. And so we can actually import and analyze and provide a lifestyle analysis very efficiently for these clients that have gone ahead and gotten organized at the beginning. Because a lot of time, I don't know about your cases, but a lot of our time in our cases, the case management, before we've even digitized anything or analyzed a single record, it is unbelievable how many hours that is. And so by doing this first, that just kind of helps keep the costs down for any potential clients.
Well, and we have a few cases right now where, there's been a lot of accounts opened and closed. And so there's like, well, it went in and out, or money goes in and out and it's duplicated, like we're really just trying to get the clear picture. And I think that sometimes spouses know how to muddy the trail, but they don't necessarily know how to erase it, so but it's time consuming. And that's where I think it gets to be difficult, because I will give suggestions to clients all the time, like start going through your bank statement and look for round numbers, like look for big transfers out, look for accounts that you don't recognize. We just were reviewing something this morning and I talked to the attorney. I was like, so I'm seeing a lot of payments to an Amex, but I don't see an Amex in the discovery, like I don't see that we were provided with that information. And they're like, oh yeah,